Hello, this is Susan Avery, the editor of My Purchasing Center. I'm at the 2013 Grainger show in Orlando, and I'm here with Deb Oler to talk about the show. And part of the exhibit in the exhibitor hall is Grainger Town. Hi, Deb.
Hi, good to be here.
Can you tell us about Grainger Town, what it is? And I know we had it here last year, so how is it different this year?
So Grainger Town is really all about bringing all of the various products and services and solutions that we have to life for our customers. And it's meant to show it in kind of the application in the real world. So we build a town. That town has, various general store, fire department, all the various places that our customers work in every day. And the idea is, how do we really replicate what the challenges and the opportunities they have are and show how these solutions solve those problems. We got great response from it last year. We actually expanded it. There's more buildings. There's more experiences for people to have. And what we're really trying to address is what we see as the big challenges that our customers are talking to us about. So how do I purchase more effectively? How do I manage inventory more effectively? Am I buying the right products? What are the challenges that they're having around sustainability and managing that part of their business, and we really try to bring that all to life in one place so we can have a discussion about what their total solution is.
I know that inventory management is an important topic for the My Purchasing Center audience, and I know that it's covered in Grainger Town. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, well, I would say the first thing is it's such a popular topic that we realized we needed more space for it, so that'll be next year's show. I would say that is really one of the hottest topics this year. Again, is people really understanding that there's great opportunities for them to reduce what they spend on operating their facility and keeping their people safe by getting their arms around how they purchase and manage this inventory. So I'd say the big topics this year, vending continues to be an important topic. So we have a number of different iterations depending on what the product is and what the application is. We actually introduced a couple of new vending solutions that got very, very popular. People are, can I sign up for it here? We had a seminar where a number of customers that have been using this solution for a while got up and talked, and they were able to document, 35% reduction in consumption. That got a lot of interest. The booth got even more crowded after that seminar. But I think that this is, as people really look to get their arms around this part of their business, there's just lots of dollars to be had by more effectively understanding how much you need, where you need it, and getting the product in that place, and letting a partner like Grainger help you manage that inventory.
Safety, safety too is a big topic, and everybody here seems to be talking about it. The show, the aisles in that particular area of the show are crowded. How is safety addressed in Grainger Town?
So safety, you are absolutely right on. Safety has been a huge topic. It's been a huge topic for a couple of years. It continues to be. I'd say what we're really seeing and hearing from customers is that the combination of increased laws, the aging workforce, in some cases multilingual workforce, and the needs to be challenged with that, and then quite frankly the reputation of the company are all kind of the common things that we hear. So the goal this year was really to put together a comprehensive offer so that we could best understand what is each business's challenges and what are the things that they put together to solve their safety problem. Now, the other things that we also hear is, how do I train my employees? So there's a number of solutions, including Grainger Online Safety, where people can really get so there's one piece of it that's, how do I make sure I have the right safety practices? How do I make sure that I have the right fall protection, hand protection, eye protection there? But then there's another piece of it that says, okay, but once I get those things done, then I have to train people. So the end-to-end solution is really, what we're aiming for, because that's what our customers are challenged with. And we see more and more growth in that. One of the things that we were talking about is one of our safety suppliers this year has a whole line of products for women, very specifically for women. And I can't tell you the number of people that I talked to on the show floor who had a little button that said girl power that they got from that supplier. And they were so excited to see the fact that, somebody was finally recognizing the fact that there's women in that workforce too, and that we need to have the right gear and equipment for them. So I thought that was kind of cool.
That is cool. One more thing. I saw Grainger Town myself, and I particularly like the branch setup. Mm-hmm. Could you talk about the branch experience and how that's changing?
Yeah. So we have, the branches are really a part of they're really our heritage. It's where our business started. But over the last 10 years or so, we've really seen how people purchase evolving. So as our product line has expanded from, 80,000 products to 1 million products online. More and more products get shipped, but I will tell you more and more of our customers want their products shipped. But the branch continues to remain a very important part of who we are and what we do. So over the last couple of years, we've really challenged ourselves to get in and understand more about how do people why do they come to the branch? What is it they want? And there's really two very unique experiences. There's people that either know what they want or have already ordered what they want, and their goal is to get in and get out as quickly as they can. There's another group of people that come in with what we always kind of refer to as gnarly product search, and they generally come in with some greasy piece of something, they put it on the counter, and we actually stood and timed them, and the average interaction is 40 minutes, because these are generally very, they're old pieces of equipment, and they're just looking for somebody to help them patch a solution together, which is what our people do, and they do a great job at it. But those two things are actually in conflict with each other. So we have redesigned our branches to actually separate those two things. The people that want speed, we want them to have it as fast as they can get it. And the people that are looking for, a problem solving around some issue that they have, we want them to have as much time as to stand there as they need. We've also reconfigured our counters to be more collaborative so that we're all standing together, looking on the screen, searching for things versus us on one side, them on the other side. We've experimented in a couple of branches where we've actually gotten our customers involved, told them exactly what we were doing, asked them to be part of the solution. They actually came in and would draw things for us, change the way it looked, and based on the results of those experiments, we're actually in the process of retrofitting most of our branches so that we can really create that more collaborative experience and really make sure that people that are looking for fast get fast, and people that are looking for problem solving have all the time they need to do that.
Great. Thank you, Deb Oler of Grainger, for taking the time to talk to my purchasing center.
Thanks. Great to be here.